Start by carefully opening the box to avoid damaging any components inside. In every accessory box, you'll find special instructions for assembly and installation. Follow them closely for a smooth process. Within the plastic wrap, you'll find all the parts for the assembly of your in-frame basket, including the hardware for installation as well. Start assembling from the center section, connecting the bottom of the basket with the front side. Next, install the side part of the basket using 4 screws. Remember, at this step you only need to hand tight the screws for easy adjustments of the other parts. Do not over-tight these yet. That will be our last step. Once one side is attached, move to the other side of the basket. Again, using your hands to tighten the 4 screws. The rear section of the basket uses 2 screws on each side of the mounting plate. After hand tightening all the screws, it's time to secure them fully. Use the hex key to ensure all bolts on your in-frame basket are tightened securely and ready for installation on the bike. Installing the in-frame basket on your bike is simple. Begin by removing the 2 screws on the bottom of the frame, as well as the lowest screw on your down tube. Next, align the adapter plate with the frame, making sure the taller side faces forward. Using the screw provided in your in-frame basket hardware, attach the basket to the frame through the plate. Hand tighten the screws first for easier adjustments, then fully tighten all bolts using the hex key. And that's it. You've successfully installed the in-frame basket on your HT by Pedal Electric. If you have any questions or concerns, contact us using the email and phone number listed in the description of this video.